What's up everyone, welcome to Zealplex, and in this video I'm going to go ahead and teach you about Git. So welcome to the first tutorial of learning Git. To learn Git you should know what Git is. So Git is actually a program which is helping to restore your file, or you can say all of the files will be saved, and if in case you are a graphic designer you can go ahead and keep off, or you can say Photoshop files, and then later on if you change your mind rechange it again and again, or you must say let me just go ahead and explain you how does the Git works. So let me just go ahead and create new files, so this will be much more better for you to understand. So let me just go ahead and keep name as learn Git Git and then open it. So I'm going to use a program that is Notepad++, and here I'm going to keep some text. For example, okay, have made some project which I am going to submit. Sorry for my typing, and no problem. And then file save it, and there I have inside the desktop I have created file learn Git, and then keep name as submit project and then save it. So this file is going to be saved inside learn Git. Okay, I didn't open it. Okay, not a problem. Submit pro. Okay, then here I'm going to see I have made some project which, okay, let me keep it in next line. I didn't like. Okay, I am going to submit. So let me just go and change some files. I have made some project. I'm going to submit to my work and get some grade on it. So I added some lines and remove some of the files and then save it. So this is going to go ahead and save it, so I don't want that, so I'm going to keep the file save as, and here inside here I'm going to keep submit and then keep it final and then save it. So there you can see there is one more file, submit 1 2, and before I go ahead and submit I just go and check some of my files. So I have not kept the full stop. I don't want that I repeating a bit. Keep it capital. I mad, I don't mad, I am made some project. I'm going to submit to my work. I'm going to submit my work and get some grade on. Well, actually it's kind of nice line. I'm going to submit my work and get some grade, and then I kept I capital and then added the full stop, then a file save it. That was mistake, I change it again and again. So maybe you must be having any files which you are going to go ahead and change it again and again. So that file save as inside the desktop final and the last final. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. So there you can see 1 file, 2 file and 3 file. So maybe after a month or 2 months you have created all the project, and if in case some of your friends come to you and tell you that what project you have given, can you show it to me, and you are like 3 folders, I don't remember which one was the last one. So as you know that last final was the last one, but these 2 are also there inside your folder, and this is not going to be any work. Maybe later on this is going to be work. So maybe inside the program you write codes and this file is there, and then you make another file, and this is the working file. And inside if any program you are making, and in case you added some codes and that's not working, so you can go and jump back to the older one, then previous one, and then the latest one. So in case inside the program your final one is not working, so you can jump back to the old code. That's the reason Git is helpful. So for that I'm going to go in my Chrome browser, and then I'm going to go ahead and type download GIT Git, and then This is first link. I'm going to click on it, and this is going to lead me to one website, and it auto detected that I'm using Windows, and then I'm going to click on download option, and it is going to go ahead and download. As I'm using 64-bit, so it auto detected that as well. So I had already downloaded, so I'm going to go ahead and go to my download, and here's my Git, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit on Git, and it is going to go ahead and ask me, okay, yes, I want to keep it a setup. Let me minimize this one and keep next. Let me just go ahead and add a folder that is softwares, and then here I'm going to keep, I always keep all the software inside the D drive. I don't know why, but I like to do that. I'm going to keep it like GIT git install git installed, and so I'm going to go ahead inside my D drive. So maybe in case I format my PC, my files and softwares are still there. So install software, where I have added git install, and then hit OK, and then click next, and then next, and then next. And I think you should go ahead and use git for git bash only. Maybe you must be learning about that. I just recommend that you should use git bash only, because I'm going to go ahead and add some videos on git bash. You can check other videos as well, and then hit next, and then hit next, and keep all the defaults, and then install. So it is going to go ahead and install, and it's taking time. Maybe my RAM or hard drive is taking some time, but somehow it is going to go ahead and install everything. Okay, it's taking time, and 1 2 3 4. Okay, it's taking time, so let me just shut up and let it install. So now we are back. It has already been installed, and then launch bash, view release node, and then finish it. So it redirected me to this website. I don't want to read, so let me show you how do I read. That's how fast I read, but it's too much. I don't want to read. Cancel that out. And here I'm going to go ahead and inside my folder, here I'm going to go ahead and see git recent added, git cmd, git bash, and git GUI. So I'm going to click on git bash, and this is how, like, opening inside my git bash, it is like cmd inside your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and check if that's installed. So I'm going to keep double dash, and I'm going to keep version, and then hit. So version compared not found dash dash version. Okay, I forgot to add git dash dash version, and then hit enter. So it has been showing that I'm using git version, which is 2.10.2 in Windows. So that's how you know that you have successfully installed your git inside your computer. So that's it for this video. That was a long video. Next video will be much more shorter, and that will be much more better you for understanding it. I just wanted to know how git works. That's the reason it take me so long. And that's it for this video. See you in the next video, where we can actually learn some commands inside the git. So see you in the next one. My name is Tazur, and I'm signing out.